Hi and welcome to this video to configure Samsung Magic Info with iInfinite Player, a solution from iInMedia. So first, let's go into our source menu and make sure that we have Magic Info showing at the bottom left as the main source. If it's not the case, go into your menu, select System, go down until you see the play via Magic Info or URL launcher. So if you're on the URL launcher, select Magic Info. Now go back, select source again, and it should display at the bottom left. So select this option. Now hit the return key. So this is the main interface from Magic Info. Now you want to plug the USB key with the content that you want to upload on the TV itself. Now let's select the disk in this case, so UDisk. Select the file that you want, so here's the file that we want to display on the screen. So we have to go to options at the top right, select send, select the file that we want to send, and now send to the internal memory. Let's start. Okay, now go back, select internal memory again, and now you will see the content that you want to play on the TV. Just hit the enter key, wait a bit, and the application should start automatically.